How to play Forex trading for beginners. It is not only news and share market that completes the cycle of activities of the investor. Active investors working on an international platform should be acquainted with the current exchange rates. In case of financial news, finding the figures and facts can be well supported by a currency converter to know the current exchange rates. Businessmen, investors and travelers on the go at the global level today cannot use their national currencies in other international destinations. They do stay in touch with the current exchange rates as value of currency varies from nation to nation. Reuters is a one-stop destination to avail information online on current share prices, hedge funds, stock market news, current exchange rates and lots more. There are other similar platforms where similar information can be accessed with a click of the mouse. An online currency converter is easy and simple to use. Filling in a few details which hardly takes few seconds and clicking on the output button will instantly transport you to a box or column displaying the current exchange rates. The details needed to fill are the amount you want to convert and the chosen currency or currencies. Whether it is the US dollar or the Indian rupee or the British pound or the euro or the Japanese yen and more, you get the current exchange rates instantly using the online currency converter. Software of this finance tool is also available on web for free or for a minimal amount which you can download in your PC. To know the current share prices concerning companies in other countries, use the currency converter. Once you know about the current exchange rates, you can make a comparative analysis on the value of the shares and then proceed to buy. For example, a UK trader investing in the Indian share market or an Indian trader investing in the UK share market need to first find out the exact current share prices in terms of foreign exchange rates. Knowing the current share prices will let the investor make informed decisions, though a number of other factors matters too.